Meaning of embarrass.
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 Embarrass. Embarrass means to cause someone to feel self-conscious, ashamed, or awkward. When a person is embarrassed, they may experience physical symptoms such as blushing, sweating, or stumbling over their words. The person may also feel a sense of humiliation or discomfort. Embarrassment can occur in social situations when something unexpected happens or when a person makes a mistake. It can also be caused by public exposure of a personal flaw or mistake. Ultimately, embarrassment is a negative emotion that can cause distress and linger with a person long after the event has passed.